I'm on the chart to look out for a trading opportunity. So I'm on NSD chart right now. Okay, I'm going to draw out the structure you can spot on the chart to see if we are going to have a trading opportunity. So this is what I have on the chart presently. So as it is, considering this, price to call this, but there's no complete mitigation here. Which are above that high. So it is not what I trade. For that reason, I'm not going to take a trade on this on NSD. So let's check GBP. So I'm going to draw out the structures as well. As it is, there's no setup here as well. So no trading opportunity on GBP. So let's go to the next one, odd USD. there is liquidity grab there, and we have this mitigation. Then we have this being taken out. So if we can have something like this, then coming back to this, then that will be a nice sell. So if we can have something like this, then we are going to short all the USD. So Euro USD. For Euro USD, there is no setup as well. So I just have a trading opportunity on Euro USD. So for today, there's tendency that I'm not going to take any trade today. Today making it the second week, I will not be taking any trade. Yeah. For other thing I'm working on, 1 hour time frame using the same strategy. I have many setup that actually play out, and I'm still working on majorly like the setup is actually playing out, and I'm just trying to understand which pair is the best, like in terms of its performance. So let's check what we have on just a kind of review. Okay, so nothing here. This was the analysis I did on Monday. So price hasn't gotten there. For GBP this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting price to come back to this zone and continue the buy. So still waiting for the setup to be activated. For gold, no. Okay. I did this analysis yesterday. However, like the entry is usually the last candle, but this is a one candle taking out liquidity, so breaking the structure, and price has already mitigated this. So I don't really expect much from this setup. I don't really expect much from this setup, but let's see how it goes. Nothing is there. price did not even get to the POI, but I'm still expecting that if price should get there, um, it will be it should actually be valid because this is an inducement to be taken out. So let's check, and now the target will be the last low, the external liquidity. So let's check other PS2. Okay, nothing much on USD. Euro odd. Final TP it's on Euro odd. I mean, that's 7 hours. Euro NSD. Yeah. Okay, this setup later it's SL. But before hitting SL, I think price actually did like 2 hours before hitting SL. Euro GBP, very funny pair. Price did not mitigate the zone before going in the action direction. So this is a missed trade. Euro card. This is very funny. After moving like 2 hours, like close to 3 hours, then it came back to the entry zone and then continue moving in the actual direction. The funniest thing is that at this point, I was considering this to be a change of character and expecting that price should not get below this level. But as you can see, price actually took out the low before going. So I think there are a lot of manipulation there. GBP card is actually a swing trade, as you can see. Like just imagine, price did not hit the TP before even dropping, but it is still going in the actual direction. GBP NSD, this was the initial trade, and after moving like how many hours, like 2 hours plus, then it was invalidated. Then this is another setup here. Following the same rule, this take out this eye. This also take out this eye, and we have this blue being taken out. And we have this mitigation. Yeah. So I expect that price should come back to that area and continue the movement. So there's a break of structure here too. And we have this inducements. So that's the reason for picking the trade. So I'm still expecting it drop to this area and continue the move. GBP odd, similar thing happened here. After moving, like what the first thing that happened was that price took out the inducements and moved in the other direction. So when price actually got to the actual entry, it only gave a small reaction and invalidated the setup. But just imagine, it's almost like the TP. I think this pair, that's why I still want to do back testing. There are some pairs that there are lots of manipulation there, so those pair can actually be avoided. NSD card, nothing on NSD card. USDC HF, this was a trade analysis I did yesterday, so it is still running in profit. EOCHF, this pair did not hit 3 RR, so it actually did 2.75 RR before going in the other direction. USD card, the analysis I did on one daily time frame, as it is almost at the final take profit. It is still running in profit. So these are the things I have. It's something you can actually backtest as well using 1 hour time frame. You can wait like based on what I've seen playing out, it may not have an inducement before it even play out, unlike 15-minute time frame that it needs to have an inducement. And for that 15-minute time frame, I normally use the setup formed before London session. So during London session, if it is formed during London session, I don't usually wait for it to have an inducement. But before London session, I usually wait for it to have an inducement before I can actually say it is a valid setup. So, and everything is based on backtesting I've done from time to time. Like regarding this 1 hour time frame, I'm using the same strategy. I still want to do backtesting across all the pairs to know which pair is like it performed very well on that pair and which one does it not perform well on that pair, so that I can know which pair I'm going to like select, those ones that I'm going to maybe avoid, just to make sure that I have optimal performance. That's just the thing. Thanks for joining us today. Thanks for joining us today. Have a wonderful and profitable day.